Did you know that optimizing your study habits could lead to a 30% improvement in academic performance? That's right, no magic, just strategy. We're talking about transforming the way you approach your academic tasks. Imagine slicing your colossal workload into manageable morsels, taking well-deserved breaks to rejuvenate, and planning your tasks ahead of time to avoid last-minute panic. Sounds like a dream, doesn't it? Well, it's all achievable. So let's dive in to discover how you can supercharge your study routine. So, one of the things you can do is breaking down your study tasks into smaller, manageable chunks, which is like eating a sandwich, one bite at a time. You wouldn't swallow the whole thing at once, would you? Now imagine your study project as that sandwich. Trying to consume it all in one go might be overwhelming, even indigestible, but divide it into bite-sized pieces. And before you know it, you've devoured the entire thing. Harness the power of planners and digital tools to help you manage these tasks. Think of them as your personal sandwich artists, crafting the perfect bite-sized study sessions for you. And remember, no one is awarding prizes for who can choke down the most sandwich in one go. And here's a lighthearted note for you. If your study project were a sandwich, make sure it's one you enjoy. There's no point in trying to finish a sandwich you don't like, right? Remember, it's all about taking it one bite at a time. Now let's move on to the next big thing, taking breaks. Did you ever think that taking a break could actually improve your productivity? Well, buckle up because we're about to change your worldview. You see, the human brain isn't designed to focus on one task for extended periods. It's like a sprinter. It performs best in short bursts. The science backs this up. Research shows that taking regular breaks can actually improve concentration and boost your productivity. Ever heard of the Pomodoro technique? As I mentioned in one of my other videos, it's a time management method where you work for a set amount of time, say 25 minutes, and then take a 5-minute break. Rinse and repeat. It's surprisingly effective. But, and here's where we need to be crystal clear, taking a break doesn't mean binging a whole season of your favorite TV show. Yeah, I know, I was disappointed too. So, taking breaks isn't just for slackers. It's a legitimate productivity booster. So, what have we learned today? That effective study isn't about cramming or pulling all-nighters. Instead, it's about being strategic. It's about slicing your monumental tasks into bite-sized, manageable pieces, and planning your study time wisely. It's about understanding that your brain needs regular breaks to recharge and refocus. It's about embracing these techniques to optimize your productivity. Remember, it's not about studying harder, it's about studying smarter. It's time to put these tips into action. Go conquer that study mountain one step at a time.